Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Sezzle on Amazon. So here is a step-by-step on how you can place an order at Amazon using the Sezzle. So to use Sezzle as a payment method at Amazon, you will need the following. First, a single-use virtual card or a Sezzle subscription and multi-use virtual card. And lastly is an Amazon account. So for single-use card, this is the no subscription required. So for online, you have to open the Sezzle mobile application and find Amazon from there. And you just have to add items that you'd like to purchase to your cart and then click on Pay with the Sezzle to create a new single-use card. From there, you just have to enter your order total and then review and agree to your loan terms. Now, after that, you just have to proceed to checkout. So copy and paste the single-use card details in the payment section. Now, if you have received a notification from Amazon that says payment revision is needed, this is likely because you did not have an active single-use card at the time Amazon captured the order. So it may have expired, but you can create a new single card. You can create a new single-use card in the virtual card tab of the Sezzle application. Now for multi-use card, which is the Sezzle Premium or Anywhere subscribers, so you just have to open the Sezzle application and find Amazon from there, just like the other one, and then add items that you would like to purchase to your cart. Next is you just have to click Pay with Sezzle to create a new purchase request, and then enter your order total, and then review and agree to your loan terms. Next is proceed to the checkout and copy and paste the multi-use card details in the payment section. Now, if you have received a notification from Amazon that says payment revision is needed, this is likely because you did not have an active purchase request at the time Amazon captured the order. So just like the other one, it may have expired. So you can just create a new purchase request in the virtual card tab on the Sezzle application. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!